What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you would start up a Jeep Cherokee just in case your key fob was to go dead. First of all, to get into your vehicle if it goes dead, you'll have like a little button right here that's on it. You want to push that to the side. You pull the side, and once you pull that to the side, this little button right here, a key will pop out right here. And this is what you would use to actually open up your door itself, just in case your fob is dead. And once you get into your vehicle, your key fob is dead. The next thing you would want to do to start your vehicle up when this key fob is dead is you want to come into your vehicle. You're going to press down on your brake like you normally would. You're going to want to take the key fob itself and press it up against the start button like that. Hold it up against there and press like that. And see, that started the vehicle up just like it. So once again, to get into your vehicle, you want to pull this little piece right here to the side, and a key will actually pop out of here to open up your door. And then what you want to do is come to inside of your vehicle, take your key fob itself and actually press it against the start button, and this will start your vehicle up until you can go ahead and get you a new battery to your key fob. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would start a Jeep Cherokee from probably about the 2014 to about the 2021, just in case your key fob was to go dead. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.